Hi, welcome to Physics Coach. Myself, let's read this question. Sliding contact of potentiometer in the middle of the potentiometer wire having the resistance 1 ohm as shown in figure. An external resistance of 2 ohm is connected by the sliding contact. So diagram is given simply. You will draw sliding contact. I think you are familiar. This entire length of this potentiometer wire can give this P. This is Q. And we have connected an external resistance which is connected by the sliding contact. Okay. The help of jockey, you can say. So we found the balancing point at J. This entire length PQ is having the resistance 1 ohm. Then this is this small length. This is small length having equal resistance 0.5 ohm, 0.5 ohm. And this is 2 ohm. Since we found the balancing condition, means that potential across this 2 ohm resistance is same as the potential across 0.5. They are in parallel. So you can redraw the circuit like this. This is 0.9 volt, like this. Like this. Redraw. This is 2 ohm, 0.5, 0.5. Directly. Now this question is simple. How much current you need to find? So simply find the equivalent resistance. 2 ohm and 0.5 ohm is in parallel. 2.5. Then its equivalent will be in series with 0.5. So directly if you solve, what you will get is solve fast. Give me the answer fast. 0.5 into 2. 1. 0.5. 0.5 is 5 by 10. Decimal you will do. So you will get 10 by 25 plus 5 by 10. So you can take LCM and you will get finally 0.9. Now finally, we got the equivalent resistance, we can find the current. So R is equal to P by N, I will be by. So right answer is 1 ampere. So this question is easy, okay. So you should know the concept that already they have mentioned that by the sliding contact, okay, we find sliding contact of a potentiometer is in the middle of the potentiometer wire. This concept we should know. Sliding contact is jog. The help of jockey we found the balance. Okay. Then it's easy question, okay. So those who know the concept of potentiometer, then they can solve this question. Thank you so much. So,